Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we will unbox these Audi Q7 Facelift by Kyosho original diecast model on 1:18 scale. I'm not sure what year is this Audi Q7, but we're gonna take a look. It's 2009, so it's a 2009 model by Audi. So let's open it. Oh, let's take a look at the box first. The boxes, this is the original Kyosho, because I think now Kyosho have samurais, or maybe they rebranded. So it has all open doors, trunk, and hood, detailed interior, and detailed engine. Nice, heavy. Yeah, it's old. So yeah, wheels are turning. Let's check underneath first. It says Kyosho and working suspension. Nice. Oh, I never seen these. Yeah. Oh, it's old. What can I say? Oh, it still has a plastic on it. You see, there's still plastic on the emblem, on the badging, but this one doesn't have. So is it working? No. Okay, let's try to look inside. Let's try to have these. So we use this one. Yep, it's nice carpeted inside. It's with light on it. It's a nice carpet inside. Nice. Nice interior actually. Let's check out the back seat. Nice. It's all carpeted inside. Same as on the other side. Check out the front driver side. Nice. Carpeted interior. So if you're driving an Audi Q7, it's nice to have these model in your collection because it represents your car. I've been in one, but I never driven one. I think it's the same 2009 Audi Q7 that is my father driving in Hong Kong. Yeah. Nice. I don't know if you guys can see it. On the dashboard, there's a navigation map on the screen. That's a nice touch there. Yeah. nice model for regular car collectors. So hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and if you love this video, please share it. I really appreciate it, guys. And see you guys next time. Bye.